Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeeps here with another video. This one is within 12 months of the last video, so good job me. Anyways, today I have a tire that decided to just blow out on me, so we gotta get that replaced, and then I think we're gonna change the color to black and test it out and see how it looks. So, I think I'm gonna go outside, throw some gloves on, load up the tire, and go get the tire changed. So, let's do that. Alright guys, so I'm about to load up the car, or load up the wheel into the Subaru. Just wanted to show you the list. I got the other three down there. And this is the one that decided to just go out on me. Okay. It's all the way around. Just completely come off. So gonna take that one and get a new tire. I just picked up a tire. Tire looks great. Going home. I also bought some Plasti Dip. I know everybody hates Plasti Dip, which is fine. I understand why. I'm okay with it. I like it. I used to love it. Now I'm gonna Plasti Dip them just to see how I like the rims, matte black or satin black. I'm gonna put them on, and then if I don't like it, of course, luckily I can just peel it off. It gets messy if you don't do it right, but if you do it right, then it's really not that bad trying to peel stuff off. In the next clip, I think you'll see me getting the wheels out, or getting the wheel out and preparing them for Plasti Dip. So we got them all laid out. This is the new one. These are the old ones. They're covered in sawdust and super dirty. So let's clean them up. So they're all nice and clean. Let's set up this pretty ring light so you can see. Nice and clean. Unfortunately, I can't bring the ring light to each one, but they're all cleaned up. Time to, I think, Plasti Dip. Now, I know most of you guys don't like Plasti Dip, which is perfectly understandable, but the reason I'm gonna do it right now is because it's just temporary, just to see if I like the matte black, satin black look on the car. I kind of thought that the dark wheels with the dark paint might not look good, but I've seen a rendering of them with satin black wheels right here. And I really like the look, but I just wanna see how they look in real life. So, we're gonna Plasti Dip them, and then if we like it, then I'll probably leave it on for a little while, and then eventually get them powder coated, satin or matte black. So I think I'm gonna let these dry, and then we should be able to just jump straight into painting. So let's do that. Don't want to paint those black. I don't know why in the world I didn't just turn on that light in the beginning, but here we go. Can's warm. Center caps are all up, they're nice and clean. Let's get a spraying. Alright, that's coat number 1 done. I try to get the wheels good as well, nice and coated, so it peels off easier, but we'll let this dry and then put on coat number 3. Oh, I don't know how to count. Coat number 2. Alright, can number 1 down. Got 2 coats on all the rims. Super black, looking good. Let that dry and then we'll do coat number 4. Golly, I don't know how to count. I really don't know how to count apparently. We'll let that dry and do coat number 3. There we go. I don't know if you can see me, but 3rd coat done. Took a little bit of extra time and try to get down on the sides of the spokes. Lay it on a little bit thicker, but it's 3rd coat done. Now we'll go on to the 4th one. Look at that, got it right first. Don't even need help, let's go. So I actually already did the 5 coats. I put the 5th coats on. I just didn't want to record them because my phone was dying. My phone is also my camera. But all of the stems are off, because I checked the air on those 3 and they're at 26 or 25. So we're gonna pump them up and then I'm gonna throw them on the car, but I'm not gonna record me throwing them on the car because it's dark and my phone's also gonna die. But I'm gonna pump them up and throw them on the car. So here we go. Ready, set, on the car. I don't know where the car's gonna be, but here we go. All right guys, so it has been like 2 weeks since I recorded that last clip. Here's the car. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see the wheels. Since then, the reason I haven't recorded is I actually had my appendix removed, so that was super exciting. Anyways, now those cars went by, let me show you the car. I think the wheels came out super nice. Please ignore how dirty they are. I know they're super dirty. Yeah, what do you guys think? Also, got my windows tinted the other day. Dropped off the car right before surgery. This was not me. Trust me, it wasn't me. Cars would be much more dirty. But yeah, this is them black. What do you think? I think they came out super nice. I think these look much better than what they were before. Definitely. But yeah guys, that's it. There you go. There they are black. I think they came out super good. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one, whenever that may be.